Good afternoon, everybody. Hope everyone's doing very well. So I want to cover this exchange in this very quick video. So BYDFI, they're doing an amazing offer at the moment, 50% deposit on $100 and 20% on $1,000, $500, etc. So it's quite a good user interface on the desktop and the actual app as well. I've been using it for 2 or 3 weeks now. Very good, very low on fees as well. So you can actually go into this section here, buy crypto, P2P, use your credit and debit card. This is a non-KYC exchange as well. It does work in Canada and America as well. It does not work in the UK. So if you go to markets, we can go to trade, spot trading. Spot trading, you can convert your crypto on-chain trading as well. But we're going to focus basically on the derivatives market. We also have trading bots on here as well. I will be actually putting a trading bot on this platform very soon. And then you've got the reward section. We're going to focus on basically deposit bonuses. I mean, if you have a look at this, I mean, $100, $50 bonus, that's a 50% deposit bonus. That's pretty amazing. So if you deposit like $500, $100, $1,000, $200. Now I deposited $1,000 into this account today, and sorry, I deposited a few days ago, and I got the $200 bonus. So if we go into the derivatives, you can see that I've opened a trade on Tron at the moment, which is sitting in a small profit at the moment, and we'll be looking at taking a BTC trade very soon as well. Amazing UI interface. You even got TradingView integration in here, just like most of the exchanges as well. So if you do want to take advantage of this free deposit bonus, the link will be in the description of this video. So if you do actually go into the link of this video, it's 20% deposit bonus, sponsored the channel, click on this link and you'll be directed to the home. You can sign up with your email, a phone number, etc. You go to your daily rewards, and this is where you can actually start claiming some rewards. And the deposit bonus is usually paid a couple of days after you have deposited, so you can actually take advantage of that bonus there. So very good exchange to use. Also, if you do if you are using my link for the opening this exchange, you're also getting free indicators that we do give on our Telegram group. We have a couple of strategy indicators for TradingView, and also our daily setups on BTC and all altcoins. So if you deposit $1,000, you will get a $200 bonus. You can't withdraw this $200 bonus, but you can use it towards your trades. And if you watch my videos on YouTube and keep up on the X, you can enter some good trades and make some good profits, like this ton trade, which is a bit of a small trade I've just got on at the moment. This I wouldn't call it really a signal. It's a trade setup. This trade setup was actually given in advance as well. I'm also going to be adding some more liquidity to this account as well, because I'm also going to be looking into taking another trade on BTC as well. We might as well just cover BTC right now while we do have BTC in front of us. So I've actually got a limit order of a small position there. I'm actually going to put another one as well. 116 11660, if we do get back down there. So I'm actually gonna actually gonna place another order there, and let's have a look if that one has gone through. Yeah, so that's a 0.1 Bitcoin position, and I'm going to see how the market's open, add some more liquidity, and I'm looking for because we are seeing this as support now as well, our 117815. Let's have a quick look at order flow as well. So we do have some good buy pressure coming in as well, down here as well. So we've got quite a bit of orders stacking up, bids, we call them bids to be honest, below us. So I'm going to scale into a long position, probably have 0.5 BTC position to start off with, because I am fully aware that we can come back down here as well. Got a lot of asks above us as well. But yeah, I'm actually at the moment focused on this volume area here at the moment, and so I think we need, yeah, that's fine. I've got some orders there, so I want to see how the market's open and add to this trade as well, because I am currently in a bigger position on another account. Now, one thing I want to cover is that you can actually get a lot more rewards than your existing deposit bonus, but you need to do KYC. So if you do KYC, you can get actually some good rewards. I mean, if you have a look down here, I mean, if you do a net deposit of $1,000 with trading amount 2,000, you're going to get $50. If you do a net deposit of $5,000 and have a trading volume over 20,000, you're going to get another $200. So they do actually, pay you pretty well in other bonuses, but you do need to do KYC. However, to get the deposit bonus, it's non-KYC, so you can use that extra $200 and open trades like I have. Now, I have actually entered a BTC starter position trade, and you can see that 0.5. I've still got the other orders down here as well. My liquidation, this is on cross margin, where it was my ton trade is on isolated. So my liquidation is at 98. I don't think we're going to be getting there anytime soon, in my professional opinion. And I will be adding some liquidity to this spot account, which I can move over to the futures account, because if we do come back here, I want to go a bit more aggressive in position sizing in here. But because we are showing signs of good support here, I will be adding to this trade either if we go down or up on a retracement. So if we do go up to say 119,500, and if we don't get rejected and we do have a good retracement, I can always add into this trade here as well. So you don't always want to go fully into your capital, but one thing is good is that you are getting a deposit bonus. Especially if you deposit $5,000, you get quite a bit of a big deposit bonus. So check this exchange out. The app is working flawless. It's amazing, and a great support team on this exchange. I'm really happy using this exchange. So when you actually do deposit your bonus, you don't get the bonus straight away. You have to wait a couple of days, because they do manually review them. Because you think about it, a lot of people can open multiple accounts and take advantage of that. You can only do this once. So if you want to open multiple accounts, you may get caught, and because they're not stupid. No exchanges. So yes, amazing exchange. Check them out and get your deposit and get trading. Like I said, if you do use this link, which is in the description below, that's this link here, this one here. Not only you're going to get a deposit bonus, but you're also going to get access to my free Telegram group. You have to obviously deposit a minimum of $100, and you will get access to indicators and various trade setups on altcoins and BTC. So we know we're going to go into a major big bull run. Altcoin season is coming. It is coming. You can see that from the liquidity. So we will be focusing a lot more on altcoins. But yeah, so I want to keep eye on BTC today and see where I can add some more positions on this trade and still keep my liquidation low. I do have a stop loss on my ton trade, however, and yeah, that's in a small profit at the moment. So yeah, check this out. And like I said, they do hold events as well, and trading bots are very good as well, and there will be a trading bot available from Sniper Trading on there very soon. So amazing exchange. Check them out and get that deposit. And when you get that deposit into the exchange, you wait a couple of days and you will get the bonus, because they are doing manual checks. So with the $1,000 I put in here, you can see that on this trade here, the Tron one, it's only costing me $49. I'm up a few, $10, $15, but I do see some movement coming in ton. So realistically, this trade is only costing me $49. And I could put my stop to the entry, but probably will get stopped out. But I've kept a low risk. It's a low risk trade. So yeah, amazing. So get that deposit bonus. Links in the description below. You can go to the iStore, Apple Store, and the Google Store, and download the app as well, and do everything on the app as well. So yeah, and also you do get paid if you refer friends. You do get some bonuses as well. So they have a good feature here with the ledger as well. I didn't see that, but that's pretty pretty good. So new user rewards up to 8,000. You have to do KYC for that, obviously, but the deposit bonus is what you really guys want, because you can use that towards your trades. Okay, that's all I have for you on this exchange. Amazing exchange. I will be doing some strategy videos specifically on this, on how to enter trades, risk management, how to use a couple of basic indicators on altcoins and Bitcoin as well. So those videos will be coming out very, very soon, and I will be using this exchange for that. Thank you guys. That's all I have for you today. Yeah, take it. Bye.